So after seeing the side of China that shaped its reputation for decades, it was time to see the side that's shaping its future. So I met back up with Susie, and if there's one company that perfectly captures China's transformation, it's Xiaomi.
Xiaomi started as a budget-friendly smartphone brand in 2010. They launched the first smartphone in 2011. Xiaomi and other Chinese smartphone brands learned from iPhone first. iPhone launched its first smartphone in 2007. iPhone 4 came to China in 2011. And then all the Chinese competitors started to learn from iPhone. And then after the 15 years development, it has a smartphone, tablets, smartwatch, everything, major appliances, everything you need in your kitchen, your house. And then in 2021, they started their Xiaomi car. They started as an only smartphone, and now it's everything you need. They call this AI, Internet of Things. 20 years ago or 10 years ago, the China's car market dominated by German car and Japanese car. Tesla came to China in 2017. Tesla was super expensive. It cost 1 million per car, 1 million RMB per car in China. In 2018, Tesla built its first super factory in Shanghai. So then China's the car manufacturers, they used to focus on the oil or the gasoline industry. Then they shift there to do the EV, the pure EV cars. And also the government encouraged the policies to boost this industry. The gasoline industry is just dominated by German and Japanese. So China wants to have our own EV brands. So Xiaomi is one of the representative.
So instead of competing with Germany and Japan in traditional gasoline cars, China focused on building the next generation of transportation.
710 to 830 kilometers.
Oh, wow.
What car brands have you in your mind when you first see this car? Like what car brand reminds you?
Tesla, honestly.
Tesla?
Porsche.
Porsche, yes.
Yeah.
At the very beginning, the Xiaomi learned from Porsche to attract the early attention.
That's the phone charger, right?
Yeah, phone charger.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is Rihanna.
Oh, is that Rihanna? I love that. That's actually my fiance.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's
Okay.
hilarious. She's gonna love that.
And also in China, the infrastructure of the charging station is everywhere.
Yeah.
Xpeng is this brand founded in 2014, and it launched its first car in 2018.
Okay.
So this is only a car manufacturer.
Just car.
They don't have the other digital devices. They're focused on the technology for masses.
Look at these cars, though. Look at this color. That is wild.
This one is bestseller because the competition is so fierce. Okay, so let's get inside.
Yeah. All right. Look at this.
请关闭冰箱门。
For pure electric, this is 750 kilometers. 750 kilometers for the pure electric.
So after spending the morning surrounded by replica handbags and luggage and shirts, stepping into an Xpeng felt like stepping into a completely different China. Voice-controlled doors, AI-powered features, privacy glass, zero-gravity seats. These weren't copies of someone else's ideas. They were building something of their own. And China's transformation isn't happening in just one industry. It's happening across technology as a whole. And one company has become one of the country's biggest success stories, DJI, my favorite brand.
I had a GoPro. I bought it in 2020. So back to 6 years ago, GoPro still has some market. Because in 2019, DJI launched its first action cam. But now like the GoPro is gone. It's gone. I cannot see any GoPro stores or GoPro services. No, because of DJI, it's a fast, update.
Yeah.
It can meet their customers' needs.
What introduced me to DJI was the drones. Like
Yes.
when they first came out with drones, I was sold. And then everything after that, I just followed just buying DJI. Like this right here is DJI. Even the neck strap is DJI. What you're watching this on is DJI. Everything is DJI. The microphone that we
Yes.
both have
Yes.
on, it's all DJI.
So the more time I spent with China's technology, the more I realized the conversation was never about what the country made. It was about what it was inventing. And nowhere was that more obvious than my final stop.
So this is just like playing video games.
You can crouch. Oh, what? We can do a 360. Let's do this one. Hey! Yeah, it's just like playing video games. Okay, we're gonna shake its hand. We just shook hands with a robot. That is crazy. So that was that's a dog, right? Like we call that the robot dog.
Robot dog.
So now we're gonna try the robot humanoid version.
Yeah, humanoid
right?
robot.
We're gonna try
This
this.
is Unitree G1.
Oh, look at this thing. What?
And if the robot dog gave you a glimpse into what they're creating, this took it to another level. Standing in front of me was the Unitree G1, a humanoid robot designed to walk, learn, and interact with people. At first, it just looked like another machine until it started moving.
Hey, let's go. Let's get it. Blowing like a kiss. Yeah, blowing like a kiss.
The dancing was impressive, but then came a part I wasn't expecting: Kung Fu. It might look like entertainment, but demonstrations like this are designed to showcase something much bigger: balance, coordination, and the ability to react in real time. Then they asked me to push it, and every time it lost its balance, it instantly recalculated and corrected itself.
What happens if it falls down?
Yeah. Let's see.
No way. Don't tell me it's gonna do something crazy. Oh, what? What? It just popped up. Wow.
And despite everything it was doing, controlling it felt surprisingly familiar.
Take 2 steps backwards.
Roger that. 2 steps back. Feet retreating like a ninja, but slightly noisier.
So robots like the Unitree G1 aren't being built simply to entertain people. They're being developed to work in factories, inspect dangerous environments, assist in warehouses, and eventually help people with everyday tasks.
Question, that's not real.
This is real.
That's
but it
real?
needs development. It needs program.
So these were
It's
all
a personalized custom. You need to recode it. This is real, but this is the highest level for second development.
that is
This is just like
incredible.
a
Like beginner.
Yeah, the beginner.
Yeah.
But this needs higher chips,
That is
right? Chips.
So that is
and
not
program.
that really happened.
That's really happened, but within the Unitree company.
Wow.
Within the company.
Yeah.
Not for daily.
Not for like consumer. This is more professional.
Yes.